Dear students, good evening. This is Devaraj from Avinash College of Commerce. Now I am explaining about the correlation, how we are calculating the correlation by using assumed mean method. Okay, before that everyone you subscribe my channel. Okay, and already in the last class we discussed about the same problem, how we are calculating the correlation by using actual mean method. Now I am explaining the same problem by using the assumed mean method. Okay, which is last one we learned the direct method. Now indirect which is called as assumed mean method. Okay, assumed mean method, that formula is r equals to summation dx dy minus summation dx into summation dy by n whole divided by under root summation dx square minus summation dx whole square by n into under root summation dy square minus summation dy whole square by n. This is the formula for calculation of the correlation by using the assumed mean method. In that, we have to select any one value from the x series, we have to take as assumed mean, as well as y series, we have to take one observation as assumed mean. Based on the assumed mean, what we are calculating the correlation, that correlation by using assumed, we are taking one assumption based on the x series and y series. Okay, columns are same only. Take the columns. First one is the x column, then y, then dx square, dy square, and dx dy. These are the required columns. Under the actual mean, we have taken directly x square, y square, dx x square, dy square, and here x and y we have taken, then here dx and dy. Assumed always with the deviations we are taking. Same observation I am taking here: 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 80. And the y column: 14, 25, 30, 32, 40, 45, and 65. Okay, this is the question. From that, we are calculating the correlation by using assumed mean method. So in that, you take any one value as A. In x series, one value, and in the y series also one value we have to take as the A. So now I am taking one observation which is 50 in the x series and 32 in the y series. So not only 50 you take any observation from here and any observation from here. One observation must be taken under the assumed mean. Right. Now dx equals to what? X minus A. This is x series. From that we have to subtract the A which is 50. And the same way y minus A, y minus which is under the y column we have taken as the 32. Now, so these 50 should be deducted from these all x columns. 20 minus 50 which is minus 30. 30 minus 50 minus 20. 40 minus 50 minus 10. 50 minus 50 0. 60 minus 50 10. 70 minus 50 20. 80 minus 50 30. Just we are subtracting this 50 from all the observation including this. Now dx square, dx into dx, we have to multiply. Minus 30 into minus 30, 900, minus into minus, it becomes plus. Minus 20 into minus 20, 400. Minus 10 into minus 10, 100. 0 into 0, 0. 10 into 10, 100. 20 into 20, 400. 30 into 30, 900. These are the calculations are simple. Based on that, everyone use the calculator in examination. We must use, it is allowed to use the calculator. Don't forget to carry your calculator, right? Then dy, y minus A, right? That is only in Usman University. No, in all universities also, but for other competitive exam that is not there. Only for degree examination. Y minus 32. Then 14 minus 32. 14 minus 32 which is minus 18. Then 25 minus 32 minus 7. 30 minus 32 minus 2. 32 minus 32 0. 40 minus 32 8. 45 minus 32 13. 65 minus 32 which is 33. 65 minus 3, yes, 33. Now then we have to calculate the value of dy square. How we are calculating dy square? Equals to dy into dy. minus 18 into minus 18. Minus into minus, it becomes plus 324. Minus 7 into minus 7, which is 49. Minus 2 into minus 2, 4. 0 into 0, 0. 8 into 8, 64. 13 into 13, 169. And 33 into 33, 1089. This is a dy square. Then next one is what? Dx into dy. Dx into dy. This dx into multiplied with dy. Minus 30 into minus 18. So multiply. Use the calculator, which is 540. Minus 20 into minus 7, which is 140. Minus 10 into minus 20. Minus 2. 20. Minus into minus plus. Minus into minus plus. Minus into minus plus. Any value. 0 into 0. 0. 10 into 8. 80. 20 into 13, 260. 30 into 33, 33, 90 and 990. Here we have to add these all columns. So dx column, dx square column, dy column, dy square column and dx dy. Now in that, add all observation. Here also add all observation. Here add positives and deduct negatives. Here add positives, all positives will be here. If you observe 30, 30, 20, 20, 10, 10, it will be 0. Summation dx you will get as 0. Then summation dx square, add all positive, 900, 1000, 1200, 2800. Right? Same way, dy also we have to calculate. Add positives, so deduct negatives, that value. By adding up this and by deducting up this, you will get 27. And dy square. Dy square equals to what? Add all positives. All are positives only, which is dy square 1699. 1699. Then adding up this all, summation dx dy, you will get as 2030. By adding up this, use the calculator, finding of this, you will get this one, right? This is the table for calculation of the correlation. So we will relation to the table now. But how we are calculating correlation can be calculated by using the formula, that is assumed mean. I'll give that one, right? Right. These are the summations are there. Now R equals to formula summation dx dy minus summation dx into summation dy by n whole divided by under root summation dx square minus dx whole square by n into under root summation dy square minus dy whole square by n. Right? This is the formula. Right? Based on this formula, we have to right, from that information we have to calculate the value of the correlation. So how we are calculating? Substitute summation dx dy minus summation dx into summation dy by n whole divided by summation dx square minus dx whole square by n into under root summation dy square minus summation dy whole square by n. Just I am repeating the formula. How many times? Only thing is what? Always statistics. You have to, not only that statistics accounts, always you have to practice. Don't see the, by seeing of this video or by seeing of solution, it is not possible to get the full marks. Only thing is what? By seeing one time, seeing equals to better, you practice at least once. By seeing of the 3 times, by practicing only one time, you will get the good marks, right? So then summation dx and dy, whatever the value, 2030 minus summation dx, what is the value? 0 into summation dy by n. Number of observation, just count the, in the question, observation in Excel is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 observations are there, divided by 7. Dx square, which is under root 2800 minus dx, which value is 0, square by n, and under root, in between multiplication, right, under root dy square 1699 minus dy, which is 27 whole square by 7. So I substituted these values. Now just do the calculation. 2030 as it is I am writing, any value into 0 it becomes 0 by 7 whole divided by under root 2800 minus 0 by 7, 0 square nothing but 0 only, by 7 into 1699 minus 27 into 27, 27 into 27 square nothing but multiply with same number, which is 729 by 7. Then 2030 0 by 7 which is 0 whole divided by 2800 minus 0 by 7, 0 under root second one 1699 minus 729 by 7. By dividing of that you will get 104.14. Once you use the calculator, find it that one. Then 2030 by, so by subtracting of that you will get the same only, 2800, 1699 minus 104.14 which is 1594.85 you will get. Now next one is what we should do, 2030 by under root of 2800, just root of 2800, 52.91 you will get 1594.85 which root 39.33 you will get. Okay, understood? Just root of these two individually you have to calculate that one. Then multiply these two. 2030 by 52.91 into 39.33. Okay, so you will get, that is 2112.69. Okay, right, this is not 33 which is 93. So lastly you will get as 0.96. Okay, this is the assumed mean method. First we have to apply the table. After preparation of the table, then after preparation of the table, use the formula, substitute it directly. We cannot take all the values directly, they don't come to this step. Step by step we have to complete this all the solution, right? First substitution, then squares, multiplication, division, under root, and again multiplication, and again answer, right? This is the procedure for calculation of the assumed mean. And dear student, subscribe my channel and you will get updates also. Thank you. See you.